So it is 10th day of my resolution and I have been uploading videos on YouTube for last 10 days. It is 10th day of my daily uploading videos. As you know, I have taken a resolution in which I will upload daily videos on YouTube or on Instagram on any random topic on which I have some ideas so I can speak on it. I have uploaded a lot of videos like importance of farmer and importance of our natural habitats. Yesterday I have uploaded a video, the most loving our family. Day before yesterday, my video's point was the importance of extracurricular activities or games apart from our academics. And I am uploading a video today on a topic that is importance and habit of reading book in all kind of things, like if we are preparing for any exam, or even if we are not preparing for exam or doing some works at anywhere at an office or anywhere else. So reading books is a very good habit. Every person or every intelligent people says that reading books is a very good habit, because when we read book we think like we are communicating with the most intelligent people in the world who has written this book. And the most and the important or good point of that video or reading book is that we are talking to the most important person and we are only listening, we are not saying him anything. And it is the main point of conversation, that we are only listening and the other person, means the writer of that book, is saying us in many words. So there are many kind of books, like there are many Indian writers, and if we go out of country there are many foreign writers, so we can take their books also, like Ruskin Bond. And there are also many writers, I don't have remembered their name, I skipped their names. And in India, Abdul Kalam, the missile man of our India, he has also written many books. So when we read their books we think like we are talking to them. For example, if we are reading the book of APJ Abdul Kalam, so for some time we will think like we are talking to him directly and we are only listening and he is saying all the things. So it is the best part of the conversation, and our reading skills also improves the way of talking to other peoples in our country or out of our home. It also improves with the help of reading books in any language. We can read books in Hindi, English, or in our regional languages, like we can read books in Urdu, we can read in Gujarati, Marathi, Tamil, or any language where are we living. All the important books and all famous books are available in all kind of languages or in regional languages. If we don't want to read in our regional language, then we can also read in our common language, that is English. In reading in English we also improve our vocabulary, our reading comprehension. And even if we are preparing for any jobs, like if we are preparing for competitive exams, or we are wanting to crack UPSC, even if we are aspirants of CA, chartered accountant, then also reading books or reading habit can improve our the abilities of conversation. Because at the end, where we go in our country or out of the country, we have to communicate to the other person. We don't know what language is he knowing, and does he know our regional language, like does he know Hindi or he don't, does he know Urdu, Marathi, we don't know. So we need a common language so that we can communicate him, we can explain him our things, and we also understand what he says. But if we don't have a common language or a good idea of our common language, then we will not be able to communicate him properly. So for this we have to read books. And many teachers says that if you are preparing for some exams, then you have to read books. Because if we ask any teacher, like any teacher has uploaded a video, then we will ask him, sir, what is the reason why, how can we improve our vocabulary, how can we improve our comprehension, like our exams, or how can we improve our PQRS. So all the teacher will suggest a simple thing, that you have to read newspaper, and the only newspaper is the Hindu. But no, we can't go directly to the newspaper or the Hindu, because there are many advanced words, so we don't understand them. We also need some background knowledge, but we don't have the background knowledge also. So we need to start from the starting. We should do our starting from the normal books, like we should read our comics on any topic, like Tenali Rama and all, in which we are interested. We can also see cartoons in English, like Mowgli and Chota Bheem, Doraemon, any cartoon. All the cartoons are also available in English also. If someone is interested in watching cricket and watching some shows, then he can listen that commentary in English. It will also great thing to learn our English or improve our vocabulary or comprehension. It also improves our many points so that we can improve our words, and when we talk to anyone we will speak in English, then we will understand that we are speaking it wrong. Even we don't know what is right, but we will be able that much so that we can say that yeah, it is wrong, I don't know what is the right, but it is wrong. So these are the important of watching and doing English or reading English books and all. Because if we take the example of Hindi or our regional language in which we speak daily, we don't need to learn that language through books or through reading. We just learned this language from listening. After our birth, we listened we listened from our parents, then everyone in our family. When we go out of our family, people speaks in that particular language, so we were able to understand that language easily. We don't need to learn that grammar, we didn't learn about the passages, we didn't complete our comprehension. So the best part of learning any language is listening and speaking, or reading also, because we have also read lots of books in Hindi or in our regional languages. So it is important to note that reading is the best habit in all the kind of peoples. Even if he preparing for any exam or even not, he may be a simple person, because by reading new books or comics we used to learn new things. We explore the world by sitting at a simple place. We used to learn new vocabs, new words that we can use in our daily conversation. When we use new words in our daily conversation, then the people in front, he thinks like, yes, he knows some words and he knows some advanced words. So whenever any teacher says that you have to read newspaper for preparing any exam for vocabulary, then tell him, okay sir, I will read them, but you have to start from comics. And I told you that English videos on any sports or even cartoon or any normal serials like Telani Rama and all, we can also watch them. After watching them, gradually we will think that our English is increasing day by day. It will not a single process or single day process or a single month process. It will take time. It increases gradually. Means we can't think that if we do these all things for 1 month or for 15 days, then we will be able to that much, our level we go to that much up so we can speak in front of anyone. No, it will not work in 1 or 2 months. It will take time. Gradually it will increase, because Hindi also we didn't learn from a 1 month or 2 month. It takes time. Even also we think new or we learn new words even now, even when we can speak well Hindi, but we are learning new words. So like this in English or in other language also, we have to start reading, we have to start listening, and we have to start thinking in our mind also. Many teachers says that we have to think in English. No, it's not a simple process, because whenever something happened, like if someone dared us, then we will say shit, we will not say him that in English. So it means it is our mind that it is used to happening Hindi words, so we have to change it to English. Whenever we think anything in Hindi, then we have to try that we should think on the topic in English. No one is going to listen us, because we are thinking in our mind. So we can do anything in our mind. It is up to me and up to you and up to us all, that what are we thinking in our mind. Are we thinking in English or in any other language, or we are thinking in our regional language? If we really want to learn, if we really want to practice a new language for any requirement, or even not for any requirement, for our fun also, for our knowledge also, then we have to start these things. Like firstly we have to listen so much on any topic which we are interested in. We can use YouTube and audio books also. Audio books are also available on YouTube or on Instagram or anywhere. But we have to keep in mind that when we are listening these audio books, we don't have to do other works. Like if we are eating, then we are listening old or any new or any other English topic, then it will not help, because our concentration will be on our eating or on watching web series anywhere. So we will not able to listen through it by our concentration. So we have to make it clear that when we listen these audio books or those videos or any content in English, we have to think in mind that we will have to listen it carefully with full concentration. And if any word that comes regularly and it repeats a lot, then we have to note it, or even we don't want to note, then we can go to Google and from taskbar and search this word, because this word is coming again and again. By reading we can also learn new words, but we don't have to write all those new words which we are learning from any video or regular video, because if we write all the words, then our watching English will be very boring, so we will not be able to continue this process for a long. But any important words which we are thinking that yeah, this word is coming a lot and I need to learn about this word, so it will help me in speaking English. So we have to note that word in our note sections, or anywhere we can note it in our notebook. We don't carry notebook at all at any places, because if we are traveling, then we will watch the video, but at that time we will not have a notebook to write that particular word. So we can write in our phone, in our notes, so it will also improve our vocabulary, our new words. So this is the advantages of reading books, because reading books is a very good habit. As I already told, a lots of advantages, that with the help of book we can learn new language, new vocabs, comprehension and PQRS, all the words. So this is about the video. You try to take some books, like I can also say that I have read the book that is Ikigai, and you can also read that book. Actually this book says us that what are we doing in our life and what is our goal in our life. Actually it has 4 circles, and all those circles we have to fill them with our opinion, and when we come to the conclusion and when we conclude it, we will find our purpose, that what we are interested in and what will earn something in our life. So we can do that with the help of reading that book. There are also many books like on habits or on games and all, so we can we can read that books also. So that's about the video. It was my 10th video, it means 10th days is completed, and regularly I am uploading videos. Tomorrow I will upload a video on any topic. I don't think yet that on which topic I will upload video tomorrow, but yeah, that's all about the video. Bye bye, thank you.